Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a message with the shake effect on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now this is a feature that's available on iOS 18. So if you haven't updated to iOS 18, you need to go ahead and update to iOS 18. And once you update to iOS 18, simply go ahead and open up the Messages app on your iPhone. And then from there on, you're going to select a contact. So I'm going to go ahead and select one here. And from there on, I'm going to tap on the Messages icon here. And once I click on it, the keyboard will open up. There's going to be an icon at the corner right here that's going to look like that. And if I press into that, it will give me the effect for shake here. As you can see here, shake is an option. I click on shake, and then I can write something like, "What's up?" And that message will very much shake. As you can see here, it gives you a demo. I can send it to them. And once they receive it, it will basically shake that text message just like that. And again, simple as that. Just make sure you click on that icon here, click on shake, and then type in whatever you want to shake just like that. So that's how you can use the shake effect on the new app on your messages on iOS 18. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone on iOS 18. We'll see you guys next time.